All right, I found this really stunning photograph of a storm in Oklahoma, and I'd like to use this as a starting point for finding a light for my project and maybe building out the interior design for this room that I'm working on. So let's give it a shot. Okay. All right. I'm liking this one. It's kind of got this organic shape that's kind of like the underside of those clouds. And then kind of liking this ellipse. Oh, this one's definitely a contender. It kind of already looks like the cloud in bundled up into a sphere anyway. What else? Curious, maybe take a look at this table lamp. Maybe this cluster of lights. Okay, so let's go back here so we can start comparing. Probably not. I think I was liking this one just because it has this kind of rounded shape to it. So it's not exactly cloud-like, but it is kind of round and organic. And then this one reads like kind of a cluster of spheres. So maybe it has a little bit of a cloud-like vibe to it. Okay. So I feel like this one's maybe a little bit too literal, and I'm just kind of feeling like probably the winner would be this one here, first one we saw. So yeah, I think it's an interesting question. Can you use landscape photography from these really inspiring landscapes as a starting point for your design?